Hi everyone, welcome back to my croquettes tutorial. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful daisy guinea square, which is perfect for beginners. It's simple, fun and a great way to practice basic croquet stitches. You can use these squares to make blankets, bag, cushions cover, coordinates or many other croquet projects. So let's start. For this project we are using 3 different yarn colors. However, you can use any yarn colors and croquet's hook size you prefer depending on the hook you want to achieve. I using 4 mm croquet's hook. So we start with a magic ring and croquet's the center of a flower using a brown or yellow yarn. This create for daisy middle part. So wrap the yarn around your one finger to form a loop. Insert your croquet's hook under the first strand or grab the second strand. Pull it through to create a loop on your hook. Now chain 1 the square the ring. Next croquet square number of stitches into the center of the ring. Now make a chain 3 like so. 1, 2, 3. Now we have a chain 1 like one single double crochet and we around this ring on more 11 crochet, so we have total 12 crochet needed. So yarn over and I pull off both this strand of yarn and I gonna yarn over again, pull up a loop. Now I got a 3 loop on my hook and I gonna to yarn over, pull off 3 first and 2 loop and yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops. So let's make this another one. To make another crochet, yarn over and I pull through this strand of yarn and I gonna 3 loop on my hook, yarn over, pull 3 and second loop, yarn over, pull 3. So we got a 3 yarn on this ring. Once again yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through. So we have 4 stitches and we make more 8 stitches on this hook. Next, crochet the required number of stitches in the center of the ring. Once you have finished, gently pull the yarn tail to close the circle tightly. And now you have make a magic ring, a knit of adjustable center that's perfect for crochet flower guinea square. Then join the round with a slip stitch into the loop of the chain 3. Then yarn over, pull up a loop. Then we make another one to call round 2. So start by joining the white yarn in any stitch. Now yarn over the insert your hook in same stitch. Now yarn over, pull up a loop. Now make a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. So we have a 3 chain and here we can a triple crochet in same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We have a 4 stitch on my hook. Now yarn over first 2 loop. Now yarn over second 2 loop. Now we have 2 petal for flowers petal make. So we can start again, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over. So we have another for one, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2. Now yarn over, pull up a loop, 2. So we have a 3 petal. So we can 3 petal and last 1 stitch. Continue making 1 puff stitch and 1 chain between each petal until you have the total 12 daisy square petals. So once all the petals are complete, join the slip stitch top of the first puff stitch. So repeat this petal all the way around. To finish round 2, complete the last puff stitch as usual. Then make a slip stitch into the top of the first puff stitch to join the round. This connects the last petals to the first petal and complete the daisy flowers. First of the yarn if needed, and get ready to start the next round. 2 through 1 yarn to pull up a loop, 1 and 2. Then we tight join here. So we are complete round 2. Then we are started round 3. I cut the yarn. So this close round 2 are complete all 12 daisy petals. So final petals are joined, first petal to slip stitch. Now we joined our third Guinea square. So join the green yarn into any chain space between 2 petals. So we make a chain 4 like this, same to same. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have a single crochet with same stitches and same space. So like show the pattern. Stitch 1, yarn over, pull through, 2 stitches, yarn over, pull through. So we have a more 2 crochet with same space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So now we have a 3 once more, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we have a 4 chain here, and we make a same to next space our flower petals to same, repeat again, yarn over with this space, same to same, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. To create the corner, work 3 double crochet into the next petal. So we are double crochet to our next petal, to 3 double crochet here to corner space. To create a corner, work a 3 double crochet in the same corner space, chain 2, then work another 3 double crochet into the same space. This from corner to Guinea square. Repeat this same process to each corner space as you continue around the square. The chain 2 create an corner point and help the square keep its shape. Now we make a single crochet to 4 single crochet to next space. Now we follow the same process to each petals to make a corner and 4 single crochet, then make one corner, then 4 single crochet. To finish the Guinea square, join the round with a slip stitch into the top of beginner chain, and then we make a slip stitch here to last our chain. So we pull yarn through and tie it to square it. When we have complete, cut the yarn leaves to small tail. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe for more crochets project. Happy crocheting!